Hello learners, this is Shraddha Bharti and in today's class we are going to learn about the concept of air content. So here you can see there is a soil sample and as I have told you in the previous lectures, the soil consists of three phases, that is air, water and soil solids. Now what is air content? Air content is the ratio between the volume of air present in the soil to the total volume of voids present in the soil. So here is the volume of air present in the soil and this is the volume of water and this is the total volume of voids. As I have told you earlier also, volume of voids is volume of air plus volume of water. So basically air content is the ratio between the volume of the air to the volume of voids. That is the volume of air plus volume of water. Now air content in the soil represents how much voids is filled with air. This is something of same sort as degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is volume of water to the volume of voids. It represents how much voids present in the soil is filled with water. Now, here is the definition of degree of saturation. Why I am telling you about the degree of saturation? It's because there is a relationship between the degree of saturation and air content of the soil. Degree of saturation represents volume of water present in the soil to the volume of voids. Now, let's try to derive a relationship between the air content and degree of saturation of the soil. Air content of the soil plus degree of saturation of the soil, we can say that air content is volume of air present in the soil to the volume of voids. If we add degree of saturation to it, degree of saturation is volume of water present in the soil to the volume of voids present in the soil. If we add them, what we get is volume of air plus volume of water by volume of voids. And as you know that volume of air plus volume of water is nothing but the volume of voids. So we can also say that this is nothing but volume of voids to volume of voids. It's 1. That means air content of the soil plus degree of saturation of the soil must always be equal to 1. This is important relationship that you should remember. So that's all for this video. If you want to practice few questions on index properties of soil, you may click on either of these two videos. All these questions have been asked in the GATE examination. Thank you and have a nice day.